Hey hustlers, today I'm diving into how you can unlock a daily earning of $500 using playlistpush.com. If you've ever dreamed of making money through music, stick around because this is going to be a game changer for you. So what is Playlist Push? It's a platform that connects independent artists with playlist curators. As a curator, you can earn money by simply reviewing songs and adding them to your playlists. Sounds cool, right? Here's how you can get started. First, you'll need to sign up as a curator on Playlist Push. Make sure you have a Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music playlist with a decent following. The more followers you have, the more you'll earn per review. Once you're signed up, Playlist Fund will start sending you tracks. Listen to them, review them, and if you like them, add them to your playlist. Each track you review can earn you anywhere from $1 to $12. Now imagine reviewing just 50 songs a day. That's right, you're already hitting that $500 mark. Now if you're finding this video helpful, smash that like button. It really supports the channel and helps me bring more content like this to you. Let's talk strategy. To maximize your earnings, focus on growing your playlists. Use social media, collaborate with other curators, and actively promote your playlist to gain more followers. More followers mean more opportunities and higher pay per review. Remember, consistency is key. Make reviewing and updating your playlist part of your daily routine. It's not just about making money, it's about discovering new music and supporting emerging artists. It's a win-win. Alright, we're nearing the end, but before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with all your entrepreneurial friends. Let's help each other succeed, and remember, once we hit 11K subscribers, I'll be doing a money giveaway to one lucky subscriber. Could it be you? Subscribe now, and it just might be. Thanks for watching and keep hustling. Until next time, keep your playlist fresh and your earnings high. Bye.